Hello everyone, we're gonna start by making a scenery, starting by making a house. First we are going to make the features of this house like door, windows and the chimney. Then we're gonna make some trees beside it and a mountain followed by the clouds and then the birds. Next we're gonna make another scenery starting by making the house. We're gonna make door and then the window as well. After it is done, we are going to make sun on top of the house and a pathway. After that we are going to make a tree beside this house. When it's ready, we are going to color it with different colors. You can use any kind of color you want. Next we are going to make another scenery starting by making a house. First we are going to draw the structure of the house, then highlight the features like doors, windows and the chimney. After it is ready, we are going to move further. Then we are going to draw a pathway towards the house. When it's ready, we are going to make a tree beside the house and then we're gonna make a bird in the sky, and then when it is ready, you can color it according to your choice with any color. Here we've used some sketch pens for coloring it, and you can clearly see it already looks so good and beautiful. Next we're gonna use 1 to 6 numbers for making some figures. First we're gonna make a bee and then we're gonna make a tortoise. Third number we are going to make a butterfly. After it is done, we're gonna move towards the fourth, which is a beautiful mouse. After it is done, we're gonna move ahead to the fifth number, which is of a penguin. Then we're gonna move ahead towards the sixth, which is of a snail, and they are all ready.